This dinosaur looked like a parrot. Its name was the Psittacosaurus, and it lived around 120 million years ago during the Cretaceous. As you can see, it had a prominent beak, used to crop plants, as it was a member of the ceratopsian family, which would later become dinosaurs such as the Triceratops. Some paleontologists even suggest that the bristles at the end of its tail were for display like peacock feathers. Its name translates appropriately to parrot lizard, and it's one of the most complete dinosaurs ever found. Because of abundance, it is one of the dinosaurs with the most well-known biology. It fed on vegetation, such as ferns and seeds. If you have any other interesting facts, comment them down below.